Hey friends, it's warming up outside and that's where we should all be, doing some fun things. We've got a really cool activity for you today and you just need a couple things to set up, like this. Tape measure. Oh, what else do we need, Nora?
Beanbag.
Beanbag. And you know what? If you don't have a beanbag, you can make a beanbag with an old sock and, what are these?
Beans.
Beans. You need one more thing and you're going to need about 10 of these. Cans, like soup cans, bean cans. We're going to be doing some bowling. Come and check it out.
I'm going to show you how to make a beanbag.
What do you need, Nora, to make a beanbag?
A old sock and some beans.
All right. Well, show us what to do. That should do it. And then all we need to do is tie it up nice and we're ready to go. So friends, the setup is pretty simple. You need 10 of those cans set up just like in traditional bowling as a triangle, 4 in the back, 3 in front of those, 2 in front of those, and 1 leading. As far as the distance that you start from and throw from, that might depend on you and your abilities and your age and your friends and family members' ages. This is about 10 feet, and even that is a little bit tough, but once you get good at this, there's always a challenge. You can also make a scoreboard. We got a little game going here. You can use the same kind of rules as you would for bowling, keeping a cumulative track down below and keeping track of what you're getting for each of your 2 tosses each frame. So there's 2 little boxes at the top. You can see there's a strike. There's a spare, pretty nice. And yeah, other than that, the rules are pretty much the same as bowling. Grabbing one of your bean bags, maybe even the one that you made, moving it at a distance that you feel is challenging but not too hard, and maybe you'll get a strike or a spare too. Have fun striking out, friends.